In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a Fantasy Premier League account on your PC. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your browser and you want to type in fantasy.premierleague.com. And then you should come to this page right here. And inside here, you want to sign up for Fantasy Premier League, and it's this field right here, and click sign up now. And inside here, you want to fill out all the required. So let's just fill out this form here. And when you have filled out your form, you need to choose your favorite club. And if you want to select other clubs, you just click this button here, or else you click next. And here you want to update your email preferences, and you want to check this box, I read and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you want to click complete registration. And now you want to go to your email for a confirmation email. So this is how you create a Fantasy Premier League account on your PC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.